Hello everyone. Let us continue with our fourth chapter, that is business services. These are the contents we have to go through with business services. Mainly the contents are banking services and the insurance services. Services. First of all, let us recall the meaning of services. What are the services? When we did the first chapter, there we did the meaning of business. Meaning of business was buying and selling of goods and services. And we, if you remember, then we did services as a part of tertiary industry also. Main in the tertiary services, we did banking, insurance, communication, as well as transportation, warehousing, etc. So all these are the services. But if we go to the meaning of services, these are the intangibles which cannot be touched. It can be felt only. So services are as having an essential feature of intangibility. These provide satisfaction of wants. It is our wants are to be satisfied. Does not mean that we service will include any product or any other kind of service. Like we want to visit a zoo, whatever they are providing to us, they are charging entry fee for us and they are permitting us to visit the zoo, so it is a service. Or we go to Indian Railways and we want to travel from one place to another place. We used to buy the ticket and avail the service of Indian Railways. So service are the intangibles as well. But if I say goods, the goods are the physical products. It can be delivered to purchaser. It involves the transfer of ownership, but services do not. That means if we buy the ticket from the Indian Railways, that means we do not become the owner of the Indian Railways. Due to the reason that we have purchased the ticket from the Indian Railways, we can avail the service, but we are not the owner of Indian Railways. और sometime we own a warehouse. हमने कोई warehouse किराए पे ले लिया. So we are availing the service of service provider, warehouse owner. Not we are not the owner of the warehouse. So let us with the various type of services. So there are the three type of services mainly. One is business services, other one is social services, and another one is personal services. Business services means which are generally used in the business, that is banking, insurance, transportation, communication services also. It doesn't mean that these are only to be used in the business. These are used in the business as well as in our routine life. But because we are discussing here the business services, the business services are banking, insurance, transportation. Social services are those services which are provided voluntarily to the society. जानबूझकर सोसाइटी को प्रोवाइड की जा रही हैं, लाइक एजुकेशनल सर्विसेज टू द चिल्ड्रन और हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज और सम काइंड ऑफ हाइजीनिक to maintain hygienic conditions in the slum area. These services are voluntarily usually provided voluntarily. मेरे पास knowledge है, मेरे पास resources हैं, and I am providing these services, social services. Next one is personal services. Personal services which are experienced differently by different customers. Like McDonald's, they are providing the home delivery service. These are the personal services. In this way, there is lots of e-commerce companies. Amazon is there, as well as Flipkart is there. They are providing the personal services to their customers. So let us continue with the business services in details. Before that, let us have a difference between the goods and services. So on the basis of nature, services is an activity or a process. Lekin goods, these are the physical objects, video cassettes, or the movies. Services are heterogeneous in type. जो सर्विस मुझे पसंद है जरूरी नहीं कि आपको पसंद आ जाए. So services are heterogeneous, they are different, but goods, they are homogeneous. Means I am using a particular brand of toothpaste, the same you are using because you are liking to it. So that is, goods may be homogeneous, but the services may not be homogeneous. Every time, one time we can prefer one service, other time we can prefer other services. Intangible, the services are intangible, which cannot be touched. One of the main feature of the services. And goods, these are tangible. Inconsistency, different customers have the different demands as well as in different situations. But goods, different customers getting standardized demand fulfilled. That means I am in demand of sugar, I am in demand of tea. So different customers, आज मुझे एक चीज़ पसंद है, एक सर्विस पसंद है, तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो सर्विस मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम भी पसंद आ जाए. तो देयर इज इनकंसिस्टेंसी, दैट मीन्स नो स्टेबिलिटी. कंसिस्टेंसी मीन्स स्टेबिलिटी. Inconsistency, there is inconsistency in the services, but the goods may be standardized, some and different customers get standardized demands fulfilled. Inseparability, services cannot be separated from the service provider. Every time that Airtel is providing you the communication service, that does not mean that you have recharged your phone and you have purchased the Airtel. No, but goods can be separated from the production to the place of consumption. घर चीज लेकर आ गए and we have consumed it. Next one is inventory. Services can't be stored. It will be provided at the time of making payment or when it becomes due. Like if I have purchased a railway ticket, अगर मैंने उस रेलवे टिकट पर अपनी जर्नी नहीं की तो I can't reuse that ticket by saying that I have not done the journey at that time, now I want to do. लेकिन goods है तो goods, take the goods, store it, whenever you want to consume that goods you can consume. Involvement, the participation of customers at the time of service delivery is there in the part of services, but goods involvement at the time of delivery is not possible. Like that Yamaha Limited or Hyundai Limited, they are producing the automobiles at one point of time, but these are consumed or purchased by the consumer at the different time. लेकिन सर्विसेज में जनरली दीज आर कंज्यूम्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ providing when the services are being provided to the customer. So it's all for the day. Thank you.